Hello guys, today in this video we are going to launch Red Hat version 8 in CLI mode. So let's get started. First click on new, type the name of our virtual machine like Red Hat version 8, RHEL 8, CLI for YouTube, YT, Linux and fire. Browse the location where we want to install the VM like I will install VM in F, folder name VirtualBox, select folder. Next type is Linux, version Red Hat 64-bit. Next, RAM give at least 2 GB of RAM. I have given 2 GB. Create a virtual disk now. Yes. Dynamically allocated. VDI virtual box disk image. Yes. Dynamically allocated. Give storage. Minimum give 20 GB of storage. It is dynamically allocated. So it will not use the actual 20 GB. Only use the amount of data is stored in the image. Okay. Settings. Our VM has been created. Now we have to define the image, which image this VM will use. Settings, system, disable the floppy in the tick mark the optical drive. Then next, display storage. In storage, click on optical drive. Then select the optical drive. Like I am using Red Hat 8 version 8 64 6 86 underscore 64. Choose a disk file. I am choosing Red Hat version 8 and open. And in network, check this is connected attached to net only. Okay, yes, okay. Now start the VM. Okay, it is again asking us to for Red Hat version 8 ISO file. Again selected and started. Install Red Hat version Enterprise Linux version 8. Now in the virtual machine, if we want to drag our mouse pointer out of the virtual machine, press the press the right control button. It will drag our mouse out of the VM. Now the mouse is inside VM. Right control. Now the mouse is outside VM. By default, we cannot copy paste text from Windows machine to virtual machine. It is disabled. So for that, we use Putty as SSH client to copy and paste data into Red Hat 8. It will take some time to boot up. Okay, select language. English, continue. Okay, it is little bit slow. Okay. What happened? Okay, I installed destination. Uh, it is automatically a partitioner drive. Okay, kdump is enabled. Kdump disable the kdump. It will save our memory, RAM. Network settings. Turn on the ENP003. ENP0S3. Okay, it will automatically connect to the network when we start the VM. And software selection is minimal install. It will install our Red Hat version 8 in CLI mode. And time India. Okay, done. Only these are the necessary settings we need to do and begin installation. Now we have to set the root password. I am using a very easy password, single letter. Okay, you can choose any of the password. So it will take around 15 minutes to install. Okay, okay. So our installation has been completed and it is asking us to reboot the system. Click on reboot. So now the VM will be again started, but it will ask for the installing the install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So we have already installed it. Bring mouse cursor out of the VM by clicking right control and terminate the VM. Now go to settings, system, click on hard disk and move it up. Okay. Again start the VM. Wait little bit. Our memory consume is 3 GB. It is starting. Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, so it is started and let's type the login name, username and password. Root password. So let's check our memory requirements. Free -m. Total given 2152 MB. Used is 170 MB and free is 1794 MB. And the buffer cache is 187 MB. So the total memory used is around 400 MB, which is very less as compared to GUI. So now we have to configure the yum for newly installed Red Hat CLI. Let's start. Let's check yum repo list. Currently it is newly installed system, so yum repo list should be 0. No repository is available. So let's make a folder mkdir /dvd. Mount the Red Hat image to this folder. Mount /dev cd-rom to DVD. Okay, it is mounted and it is mounted as read only. So next step is configure the yum repo. Vim vi etc yum.repos.d and let's say name of the repo will be dvd.repo. Extension should always be repo only, .repo. Click I to insert in the file editor dvd1 base url. You have to type it as it is only. I will show you the full code. Okay, so this is the code. We have configured our DVD with the yum. There are RPM installed in the DVD base OS directory and some RPMs installed in the DVD app stream directory. So when we want to install a RPM, and yum will go to this folder, base OS folder, and check the RPM. If it is there, it will install it. Now let's check yum repo list. Yum repo list. So in DVD1 1658 repos are there, and in DVD2 are approx 5000 repos are. Total there are around 6200 repos. Okay, so now let's install the software. Yum install -y nettools. Nettools is a package which gives us the command ifconfig, by which we can check the IP address of our network card. And -y means it will automatically install the software. It will not prompt us to say yes or no. Like if I remove -y, it will prompt. We have to type yes or no. Yes, I want to install the package. So it is completed ifconfig. I have one network card installed ENP0S3 10.2.15. So now let's ping the Google. Ping 8.8.8.8. It is pinging means we have internet connectivity in our VM. Now let's make the mount permanent, because when we boot the VM, mount gets removed. Mount is temporary now. So we have to go to vi etc rc dot d slash rc dot local. Click I and bring a mouse cursor to bottom and type mount dev cd-rom space dvd. Save it. For save, press escape, then colon, then X. It will save the file. Now it is also asking us to give chmod plus X to this file. So we will also root it chmod plus X. X means executable. So when we boot the AS, this file will be executed by our Linux OS bash shell. ठीक है? etc rc.d rc.local chmod ch it is. Okay, so now let's check the file. Now it is showing the file in green color. It means the file is now executable. Like normal file is shown in black and white color means this is a normal file, it is not executable. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.